Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is specially for people who love having greenery in their home but finding it hard to maintain them. So for them, a faux terrarium or an artificial terrarium will be a perfect alternative. Because with an artificial terrarium, you don't need to worry about watering it or cutting the plants back or maintaining them. In this project, I have given a twist to the terrarium by adding a waterfall to it. This project takes a little longer but has a lovely result. So let's get started. We will make this project in 3 steps. Step 1 is to make the rocks. For that you need to first decide on the container. It can be of any shape and size, just make sure it is a glass container. According to the size of the container, you need to make the rocks. Here I am using a fish tank. You can use a fish bowl too. Step 2 will be making of the greenery, the plants, and finally the arrangement. You need aluminium foil to make the mold for the rocks. Make a paste with plaster of Paris and water. Put it in the mold and allow it to dry. Remove the foil and do the carving. After the carving, you need to paint the rocks. For the base, I have given yellow and a little bit brown on top of it, and for the finishing, black. And the rock is ready. Do the same for all the rocks. These are the things that you need to make the artificial plants: foam, pillow filling, green thread, scrubber, acrylic colors, wood stick. Grate the sponge and add glue and color to it. Mix it well and keep it aside. Cut the thread finely. Apply color to the pillow filling. Use the grated sponge for the trees. And it's ready. Now for the waterfall, you just need a glue gun. Make few lines with the help of the glue gun. With a sharp needle or pin, give few strokes. That will give you the waterfall effect. Allow it to dry. Now the arrangement. Put a foam sheet at the bottom and on top apply a layer of plaster of Paris mixed with water. Now start sticking the artificial plants that we made. We need to add one more layer of plaster of Paris mixed with water for the rocks to stand. few layers of tissue, and on top I'm applying glue mixed with water. This we are doing to get the wavy effect. With the help of a pencil, you can make the wavy effect. Now take the waterfall that we made with the help of glue, and we are going to stick it. As the waterfall falls flat on the rock, I am adding a floral wire at the back to give a bump to the waterfall. And the last step is to paint. There you go. You can keep the greenery minimal as mine, or you can add some more too. Let me know in the comments if you have any suggestions. Also, please give a thumbs up if you like this project. Do subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends too. I hope you all have a great time making your own 4 terrariums at home. I'll see you guys soon with my new video. Until then, goodbye, stay safe and happy.